Now let's make the pastry cream. The pastry cream, half a liter of milk, 225 of sugar, 30 grams of flour, and 5 yolks. At this moment, I am placing the sugar into this spot. This step is crucial in ensuring the sugar is positioned correctly for the next phase. By doing this, we ensure proper mixing with other ingredients, leading to the desired outcome. Precision is key here for the best results. I put the sugar in the milk, stir it, and bring it to a boil. I add a pinch of vanilla, whisk, and then add the flour. I start by taking the eggs and beating them until they are light and fluffy. Then I gradually add the flour, making sure to incorporate it evenly. Finally, I stir the mixture well until it is smooth and consistent. When the milk boils, pour it into the pastry cream. In 3 seconds it's ready and won't burn. Now that it's boiling, I mix it right away to ensure the consistency is just right. This process takes only a few seconds, and then it's ready to serve. In about 2 minutes, you'll notice that it's boiling vigorously. This is crucial, because if it's not mixed immediately, it might not achieve the desired texture. The reason it can't manage to make the piece linear is due to the rapid boiling process, which makes it difficult to control. This is important because if it becomes too hard, it won't be enjoyable. Now, with everything in place, the process is complete. I take it out, now here to cool it down, so it goes faster. By doing this, it cools down in a few minutes.